This soy and whiskey veal ribeye, served with grilled Asian pears, bacon bread pudding, and ginger honey roasted carrots, is a showstopper. First, we'll prepare our veal. I'm using a beautiful bone-in ribeye for this dish, cut into 1.5-inch steaks. Ribeye is very tender and perfect for sous vide cooking. Place soy sauce, whiskey, pineapple juice, and the veal in a vacuum-sealed bag and seal to 99%. I like to make a separate reduction sauce with these same marinade ingredients for a little drizzle on the plate too. So place the bag into the 145-degree water bath and make sure it's submerged. You're going to cook these for 3 hours to an internal temperature of 130 degrees. While our veal cooks, I'll show you how to make the bread pudding. First, I've toasted some bread in rendered bacon fat. Next, combine the egg yolks, eggs, cream, milk, and salt in a bowl. Soak the toasted bread in this mixture for 15 minutes and stir in the cheese and the bacon. Bake the bread pudding in a buttered half-hotel pan for 30 to 40 minutes in a 325-degree oven. When the veal is done and has an interior temperature of 130 degrees, remove the meat from the bag. Sear the veal in a hot skillet with butter until it's beautifully browned, about 3 to 4 minutes per side. Let the veal rest for 2 to 3 minutes. Now let me show you how the dish comes together. First, place a piece of bread pudding on the plate. Fan out a few grilled pears. I'm adding some ginger honey roasted carrots. Then rest the veal against the bread pudding. Lastly, I'm going to give the veal a drizzle of the whiskey soy reduction. There you have it. This is a wonderful special occasion meal that will be a big hit on your menu.